But it does look like we will have some warmer temperatures coming together later on this week. We'll get a look outside now as we check things out in Grand Rapids, where you can find that we've had the arrival of the rain, a few drops on the lens there in downtown Grand Rapids under an overcast sky. And you can also find that we have wet pavement as we check out the campus of GVSU in Allendale. We do have a winter weather advisory, including some of our northern counties as you approach Oceana, as well as Newaygo and Mecosta counties. That'll be lasting until 8 o'clock on Monday evening. It's likely there will be at least 2 inches of snow that piles up within those counties, and I think as you approach Big Rapids there could be some isolated 6-inch totals. Let's get a look at Storm Track Live right now. You can see that that's in relation to an area of low pressure which is continuing to spin our way. That's already generating some snow showers across northern Wisconsin into the Upper Peninsula, and on the southern end of that system you can also find that we have some rain, and that's the primary mode of the precipitation that we expect this evening. And then as the colder air comes in on the backside of low pressure, we should expect to see that snap over into some snow as we approach midnight tonight. Zooming in closer here on Storm Track Live, again primarily in the form of rain right now as temperatures continue to sit above freezing. Let's get a look at Futurecast. It shows that there is the possibility of some snow mixing in as we continue on through tonight. A bit of a lull in the activity early tomorrow morning, but then it looks like we'll have another burst of some snow approaching the midday hours on Monday, and it's likely that we'll hold on to the chance of snow through a good portion of the day tomorrow. By tomorrow afternoon, you can see that we have some strands of snow left over, especially for northern communities, as this becomes more of a lake effect event. And then it looks like that is going to fall apart as we get into Monday night. Again, we have that winter weather advisory lasting until 8 p.m., after which time it looks like we'll have some quieter weather begin to take hold. Here's what we expect as far as the snow is concerned as you move further south toward I-94, likely just a dusting. Here in Grand Rapids, receiving about a slushy inch of accumulation. And then as you step further north, you can see some of the counties contained within that winter weather advisory could max out as between about 2 and 4 inches. And I think that there's going to be a couple of isolated 6-inch totals as you get into northeastern portions of Newaygo County and Mecosta County. So they could see enough that they'll have to use the shovels and the snow blowers as we get into Monday night. The wind is also going to be a factor with this system. Could have some gusts stretching near 40 miles per hour as we continue through tonight into tomorrow with a rush of some colder air. And that's likely to blow the snow around and create some hazardous travel conditions in spots as we go through tomorrow. So again, that's why we have that winter weather advisory in place. Mainly just rain for tonight. That switch to snow coming late. Widespread snow expected during the morning hours of Monday. Heaviest to the north, and then a few bands of lake effect still persist into tomorrow afternoon as the wind becomes a bigger concern. Let's get a look at our low temperatures for tonight, falling near the freezing point. 33 in Ravenna, 33 the overnight low in Grand Rapids, 34 for Saugatuck, and expecting to see our temperature drop down to 33 in Coldwater and Sturgis. The 8-day forecast revealing that we're going to have a warming trend. Highs in the 60s to look forward to next weekend, but that'll be tempered to some extent by the presence of some rain chances.